Page 14. Unit 3. Colors in Nature. A. Listen and read.
Are there animals in these photos? Yes, there are. Can you see them? Animals use color to hide. Color makes them safe. There is a green lizard on the tree. There are green leaves. The green lizard is safe in the green leaves. Animals can't see it. There are 2 bears. They're polar bears. Polar bears live in cold places. There aren't green plants and trees. The snow is white. The bears are white. Look at the pink flowers. Is there an animal? Yes, there is. There isn't a lizard. There is a bird. The bird is yellow and pink. Yellow and pink are bright colors. But the bird is safe in the tree.